How to fix Bluetooth audio delay in Android. So if you want to fix the Bluetooth audio delay in Android, then first make sure that the Bluetooth is connected. So first make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Go for more Bluetooth settings, and once your Bluetooth is turned on, make sure that your device is connected to the Bluetooth. And once you have connected your device, you just need to go for the settings, open up your settings application, and here you can scroll all the way down, go for the system, and under system here you will have developer options on the bottom. Tap on developer options, and under developer options go and search for Bluetooth settings. So scroll all the way down. So here you will have Bluetooth AVRCP version. So under that, tap on that and then make sure that you have the AVRCP as 1.6. And once you've choose 1.6, tap on OK and add that setting. And after that, you need to go for Bluetooth audio codec. Tap on that, and here if you have the default, then you need to choose AAC, and then tap on OK and go for the Bluetooth audio bits per sample, and then you need to choose 16 audio bits per sample, and after that tap on OK. And once you've chosen, or once you've done all of that settings, now you just need to restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart, and you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted, connect to your Bluetooth and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth audio delay in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.